Cosori and Philips sit in that sweet spot where small design choices make a big difference in how often you actually use the air fryer. Cosori usually wins on features and price. Philips leans on refined engineering and consistency. Think of it as smart value versus seasoned specialist. Here's what matters when you compare them head to head. Design and build quality. Cosori air fryers tend to look modern and straightforward. Boxy footprint, clear digital display, intuitive buttons, and a basket that feels familiar if you've used any recent air fryer before. The plastic housings are generally solid for the price, though they feel more good consumer appliance than heirloom equipment. Philips, on the other hand, has the vibe of a company that has been making kitchen gear for a long time. Curves instead of sharp edges, slightly more polished fit and finish, and a sense that the hinge, handle, and basket will age a bit more gracefully with daily use. You pay for that feeling, but if you care about long-term durability, Philips has a real case. Cooking performance and consistency. Both brands can deliver crispy fries, chicken wings, and vegetables without much oil, but they approach it differently. Cosori tends to rely on straightforward high-wattage power and good airflow, which gives fast browning and a nicely crisp exterior when you don't overcrowd the basket. Philips leans into its rapid air and related technology, which is essentially a carefully engineered airflow pattern designed to cook more evenly across the basket. In practice, that means Philips often edges ahead on consistent doneness when you toss in mixed-size pieces or forget to shake halfway, while Cosori feels punchy and quick when you're paying attention and cooking in sensible batches. If you're the set it, mostly forget it, and still want it right type, Philips has an advantage. If you enjoy tweaking time and temp and checking food, Cosori rarely disappoints. Features, presets, and smart control. This is where Cosori usually pulls ahead on paper. Many of its popular models come loaded with multiple presets, bright touch interfaces, and on the Smart line, app control and voice assistant support, so you can start, stop, or adjust from your phone. That sounds like a gimmick until you're in another room and want to add a couple of minutes without walking back to the kitchen. Philips takes a more restrained approach. Some models add smart sensing features that automatically adjust time and temperature based on what you're cooking, which is quietly powerful if you don't want to fuss with settings at all. You tend to get fewer flashy features and more, it just picks a smart program and runs, which some people prefer. Bottom line, Cosori gives you more knobs to turn and tech to play with. Philips gives you more automation and less thinking once you press start. Capacity, sizes, and lineup. Cosori's lineup leans heavily into the family-friendly basket sizes, the classic mid to large models that can handle a decent batch of wings, a whole small chicken, or enough fries for several people. The brand focuses on a few well-chosen capacities and makes them widely available, often at aggressive pricing. Philips has a broader historical range, compact models for small kitchens, mid-size units for couples, and larger units including versions with dual-layer or dual-zone style cooking in some lines. That flexibility means you can match the air fryer more tightly to your household and counter space, but it also means comparing Philips models takes a bit more homework because the cooking chamber shape and internal volume vary more. If you want something simple and generous that just works for most meals, Cosori's standard sizes are easy to pick. If you're optimizing for a cramped counter, very small household, or a very specific use case, Philips gives you more granularity. Ease of use and cleaning. Day to day, what keeps an air fryer in rotation is how little you dread cleaning it. Cosori's non-stick baskets generally clean up quickly with warm soapy water and a soft sponge, and the straightforward basket shape makes it easy to get into the corners. Parts are often dishwasher safe, though hand washing usually extends the coating's life. Philips, again, feels a bit more like a veteran. Many of its baskets and drawers are designed to minimize trapped grease and make it easier for fat to drain away from the food, which can translate to slightly less scrubbing of stuck spots if you use it heavily. The trade-off is that some Philips internals have more contours and pieces, so while they're engineered for airflow and drainage, you spend an extra moment making sure every surface is actually clean. Let me explain the practical takeaway. If you want fast wipe and done, Cosori's simpler geometry is your friend. If you're fine with a bit more detail work in exchange for better fat drainage and polished design, Philips delivers that. Reliability and longevity. Brand reputation isn't everything, but it matters when you expect to use an appliance multiple times a week. Cosori built its name quickly with well-reviewed, good-value air fryers, and plenty of people use them every day without issues. At the same time, like many newer value-oriented brands, its long-term track record is still maturing, and component quality can vary a bit more between specific models and production runs. Philips, by contrast, has decades of experience in small appliances and tends to aim for slow, steady refinement rather than big leaps. That shows up in the way its products feel after a few years. Handles wobble less, coatings tend to hold up reasonably if you treat them well, and you're slightly less likely to feel like you need to upgrade because something feels tired. None of this guarantees a perfect unit from either brand, but if you weight long-term reliability heavily, Philips has a slightly stronger story to tell. Price and value for money. Here's where Cosori really tries to win you over. For the feature set and capacity you get, the price is usually very competitive, especially compared with established European brands. You often get a large basket, multiple presets, and sometimes smart app control at a price where Philips might only give you a more basic, smaller, or less feature-rich model. Philips leans into value over time rather than sticker shock. You pay more upfront for similar capacity, and you might see fewer extras in the spec sheet, but what you are buying is refinement, brand heritage, and often better long-term confidence. If you know you're going to use the air fryer constantly and keep it for years, and the budget allows it, that premium can feel justified. If you are moving from no air fryer to your first serious one and want maximum capability per taka spent, Cosori makes a very persuasive argument. Noise, speed, and everyday experience. Both brands are fan-driven convection machines, so neither is silent, but the character of the noise and the way they handle heat matter. Cosori tends to feel slightly more assertive in operation. Fan noise is present but tolerable, preheat and cooking times are quick, and the appliance feels eager to get food browned. Philips often sounds a bit more controlled and refined, with a fan tone that blends into the background more easily in an open kitchen, and heat distribution that favors even results over raw intensity. In real life, that means you'll time your cooking a bit differently from one brand to the other, and you might find that a recipe that works perfectly at a given time and temperature on a Cosori needs minor adjustment on a Philips, and vice versa. Once you learn your unit's personality, both are easy to live with. The experience just has a slightly different flavor. Bottom line, if you want maximum features and capacity for your money, love the idea of smart control and app-driven recipes, and don't mind a brand that's focused on value and modern convenience, Cosori is going to feel very satisfying. If you care more about refined airflow design, long-term durability, and a quieter kind of competence that you can keep on your counter for years, Philips is hard to argue against. The honest answer is that both will air fry your food well. The real choice is what you value more: smart, generous, and aggressively priced, or polished, consistent, and built with a longer view in mind.